Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to an episode of .com Lifestyle Vlog. I am in a suburb of Vancouver called Richmond at the Silver City. And the Silver City is this big mega movie theater house. But I'm not here to watch a movie. I'm here for dinner at the old spaghetti factory. Come on, let's go. Let's see. So what is this? What is this called? This is garlic cheese bread, right?
Yeah.
So check this out. This is actually damn good, man.
Yeah, right there.
This is actually really damn good, like yeah.
Here, show that picture. Garlic cheese toast. Right there on the top.
Garlic cheese toast. There's more
That's
than
what
just,
I was eyeing, and then that's what the server recommended.
there's more than just garlic there. There's looks like three kinds of cheese. It also tastes bacon. Lots of garlic. Is that a bacon bit? This little brown thing?
Well, you got glasses on. I don't have my glasses on.
Yeah, I
can't
think.
see that clearly.
Is that a bacon bits or they're chili peppers, chili flakes?
Are those prescription or just?
Chili flakes or bacon bits, either one of those. So this is the menu. It's like a piece of newspaper, right?
I downloaded it onto.
You download the menu?
Yeah.
It always shows some picture of old. This is old Steveston. Always shows some history of Vancouver because the old spaghetti factory was founded in Vancouver back in 1879. Oh no, that's when Richmond was founded. Yeah. Oh yeah. When was the old spaghetti factory founded? It was like long. But anyway, there is an old spaghetti factory in Orange County in Newport Beach. So I've been to that old spaghetti factory as well. And the difference between that old spaghetti factory in Newport Beach and this one is in Newport Beach, the old spaghetti factory has valet parking. Because in Newport Beach,
Here's
finding a restaurant without valet parking, it's the exception. It's hard. Yeah, they've been around for a long, long time. But they have expanded.
That's why they have the old in their name.
Yes, exactly. That raises a question.
Shouldn't it
When
be
they
the
first
very old
started, when they first started,
maybe it was just maybe it was just the spaghetti factory.
Exactly. When they first started, it was just called the spaghetti factory, but now they call it the old spaghetti factory. But we need to ask the waitress. When you first started, was it called the spaghetti factory? Was it called the old spaghetti factory? She probably wouldn't know because she wasn't born when this place started.
But with your logic, then wouldn't it be the very old spaghetti factory now?
It will be the super duper old spaghetti factory. Paul's doing the baby back rib just to be different. And I'm going to stick with my usual when I come here.
Doesn't mean I have to get spaghetti.
Yeah, this is called the spaghetti.
Luckily, my baby back ribs come with spaghetti.
Well, you're good. At least the baby back rib does come with spaghetti, but I'm going to go with spaghetti with clam sauce, what I always order. Spaghetti with clam sauce. I really like it. They use the white sauce, the clam's really nice. And it also means I don't need to order clam chowder. Dinner at the old spaghetti factory, I believe, is it's a 3-course meal. We start up with a salad or soup, your choice. So I went for the Caesar salad, $2 extra. So you get that. Then you get the spaghetti. And then you get ice cream. And they have this very special ice cream here called the spumoni. Yes, spumoni ice cream. And then you could have that with tea or coffee. So yeah, it's and all this for $14.50 for the
it's
spaghetti.
All included.
It's all exactly right there.
Read that top
See?
part.
I won't show up. I'm sorry, you can't read it because it's too bright for you. But it's all included. That's right. So it's a very, very good restaurant. If you're looking for a cheap date, I suppose. My spaghetti is here. This is the spaghetti with clam sauce. It looks really good. Nice white sauce. I have it with a side of mushroom. That's gave me more mushroom than I expected.
Sauteed mushroom.
Sauteed mushroom, very nice. And then there's Paul's barbecue baby back rib with spaghetti with marinara sauce. Nice. Yeah. So this is $14.50. That was at $22. Something like that. $21.95, something like that. And yeah, so it's really good. It came out really fast too. Okay, this is the final course right here. This is dessert. The spumoni ice cream, which it's mostly green. It's supposed to have chocolate and another flavor, but they just give me the green stuff. Like Paul has a better representation of spumoni right there. There you go. It's still more green. I think they kind of like dig mostly in the green part. Very little chocolate and vanilla. Anyway, that's the famous spumoni ice cream. And Paul's having it with coffee. I'm doing it with the tea.
Get some more sugar.
Tea, Earl Grey.
Just regular sugar.
Should I take the bread all the way? Or you guys
Oh
want
yeah,
more?
sure. You take that away. That's great.
Thank you.
All right, let's. It's like mint,
Yeah.
chocolate, and vanilla. Oh, I see what happened. My vanilla and chocolate is under the mint. So, yeah,
So it's all there.
that's good. Spumoni ice cream. I remember when I used to take Sally here. Only thing she looked forward to is the ice cream. She didn't care about the spaghetti. She started rest with the spaghetti, rest with the salad. So go, I want ice cream. So this is the old spaghetti factory. I think there's like 4 or 5 locations in Vancouver. One in Newport Beach in Orange County. But that's one of the Valley parking. So if you're ever in Vancouver, you should definitely check it out. Like this is like a Vancouver institution. It's been around 50 plus years, as far as I know. And if you're ever in Orange County, you should definitely check out the one in Newport Beach. Mind you that because they are Valley parking, because it's Newport Beach, the price is probably the same or a little bit more, but in the US dollar, whereas here's in Canadian dollars. So expect a 30% increase. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my ice cream. And I hope you guys enjoy this and become hungry and go to the spaghetti factory. All right, see you guys next time.